Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am gonna tell you 3 things you should learn before you start programming. First of all, I am gonna talk about your goal. Make notes, your target, and think about why you want to learn programming. Are you learn it for fun or you wanna make a career on it, and where you are going to use them? And then the second step is to choose a programming language which is related to your target. Learn basics of code like loop, function, data type, constructor, etc. And data type is what type of data you want to get output or enter, like this. I personally recommended Python because it is object oriented language and easy to use and easy to learn. It's very powerful and it's mostly used for hacking tools. Third and most important part is practice consistently and constantly, because it is key to success. Maybe you are programming a short time period, that's okay, but do it regularly and keep trying.